As part of our cooking series on Southern foods, we're going to demonstrate the proper procedures for making potato salad. Once you know how to prepare potato salad, any recipe with ingredients you like will be terrific. First, let's start with the potatoes. Wash the potatoes thoroughly using a small brush to remove any sand or grit. Peel or don't peel them depending upon your own preferences. Cut the potatoes into small bite-sized pieces. Cover them in cold water and add salt. Bring to a boil, cover the pot, cook until fork tender. Drain the water from the potatoes. Cover them for 4 or 5 minutes. This will allow the potatoes to firm up a bit. You want the potatoes to absorb some of the moisture and flavors you use in your dressing. Since most dressings include vinegar, pour a little over the warm potatoes and add other seasonings. As the potatoes cool, they will draw the ingredients into the potatoes, giving them their flavor. At Dixie Bones, we serve my mother's recipe, and that includes hard-boiled eggs. She has also incorporated a mild curry flavor. It's best if you cook it first in butter or oil, just until you smell the aroma. It will remove that bitter, chalky taste. We mix this into a combination of Hellmann's mayonnaise and sour cream to make the foundation of the dressing. The other seasoning includes dashes of Tabasco to perk up the flavor a bit. One time my mother was visiting my restaurant. She went straight to the kitchen to taste the potato salad. "Needs a bit more Tabasco," she announced. "Otherwise it's perfect." Indeed, she was right. Now find a recipe that sounds good to you, incorporate the things we shared, and you'll have your family's own favorite potato salad. Thank you for watching. Let us know what you think.